Hey, this is Byron, and welcome to the Stock Master Show. A lot of people are scared of the stock market. They're scared to put their money in a brokerage account, which is understandable. That's your hard-earned money. And they're scared about how to buy a stock, or the stock's going to lose money or make money for you and your family. I'm here to relieve the stress. I'm going to do all the legwork for you. I'm going to tell you some things you need to know before entering the stock market. The first thing you need to do is get an online brokerage account. I think I spoke about this before. A lot of people don't know how to do that. They're asking me questions, Byron, what's a good online brokerage company? And I suggested, Fidelity, Charles Schwab, E-Trade, things like that. There's quite a few of them, and they're all legit too. And I told you what questions to ask before you commit to them. Like, do you have margins account, and do you charge fees on index funds and ETFs? And do you have to pay to buy and sell stock? Those are 3 questions you want to ask your online brokerage account before you commit to them and send your money, wire your money to them. That's the first step. Now, towards getting a stock, I'm going to go over that in a second. But one thing I want to reiterate before I bring that up, that is, make sure that you understand that the name of a company does not make it a good stock. I'm going to say that again. Make sure you understand the name of the company do not make it a good stock. I'm going to use Amazon as an example again. Amazon's a great big company, but fortunately, it's a pretty good stock because it's undervalued. That's the key. Undervalued or overvalued. If a stock is overvalued, you're not going to make, I'm talking about short-term investing, you're not going to make money in the stock market. It has to be undervalued so the price will start to go up. That's the entry point. You do not want to buy a stock at the exit point. That's when the stock is at its peak or overvalued. You want to buy it at the entry point. That's lesson number 1. And it's very easy, the things I'm saying. It's very easy to figure out. I'm going to show you how to figure it out as well. Okay, try to buy a stock that's undervalued. Do not go by the name of the company, and everybody does that. The next thing is just watch society, watch the news, and watch what's going on in the world. Like, for a good example, Dell Computer went up 103. I got it written down. Dell Computer went up 103 points yesterday because it's affiliated and connected with AI. I know people want to be in denial, but AI is here, and AI is the future. And that's the companies that's connected with AI, basically technology, because technology stocks are rolling right now. Microsoft, Nvidia, Micron Technology, Dell Computer. I could go on and on and on and on. It's so many of them. MRVL is doing good. It's so Cisco Systems. I could go on and on. Technology is rolling right now because it's connected with AI. Energy stocks was doing the best because of the war between Iran and the United States, the confrontation, but that kind of settled down a little bit. We have a 60-day ceasefire. Now technology and AI is taking over right now, but I do not know how long that's going to last. So AI and technology is connected together, and those stocks is going to do pretty good. But you don't have to worry about that. I'm going to do all the legwork for you, so you don't have to do anything. Like, I have some stocks written down. They should go up Monday or Tuesday. Dell Computer went up 103 points because of the connection between Dell and AI. It's like it's taking everything to another level. That stock is not a good stock immediately because it went up 103 points. See, it might have became overpriced a little bit. So I do not know if it's going to go up either. I don't think it's going to go up immediately. It might start going down a little bit. It's going to fluctuate, and it might start going up Wednesday. Dell Computers, DELL. Now, another one I have written down, SNOW. That stock went up 16 points Friday, and on Thursday it went up like a lot on Thursday as well. That stock is doing pretty good. That's technology as well. But when stocks go up like that, there's a lot of times that its next move, it might start going down just a little bit. So I project those stocks to probably start going back up Tuesday or Wednesday, not immediately. You have to have patience when it comes to the stock market. How often have I said that? You have to have patience when it comes to the stock market. Don't assume a stock is going to keep going up every day. Stocks go up and down. I can't reiterate that enough. So Dell Computer went up 103 points. It might go up again, but there's a good chance it might start going down just a little bit because it might be overvalued. That's what I said at the beginning of the video. You're looking for a stock that's undervalued. Nvidian is doing pretty good right now. Dell is going to do good in the near future, and Marvel, MRVL, is a pretty good stock. And what you do is you want to look at the news. The news is the single most important thing. Now you need to write some of this stuff down. The news will indicate kind of, and what the analysts say, what the stock is going to do in the near future. Now I'm just talking about short-term investing. I'm not talking about options. I'm not talking about long-term or dividend or speculative trading. I'm not talking about those type of trading. I'm talking about short-term investing. Now, like I said, I'm gonna do all the legwork all day long. That's all I do is study the stock market. And at nighttime, on my video, you have to watch my videos. I will give you a hot stock that I have researched, and that stock will make money for you, but you had to have patience on those stocks and things like that. Okay, I said SNOW, I said DELL. Another good stock that went up a lot is NTAP. That's a technology stock as well. It went up 31 points. That stock is going to do well, but not, I don't think, Monday or Tuesday. It might do good on Wednesday because that stock went up 31 points. Dell Computer went up 103 points. So when stocks go up a lot like that, you got to look at the Dow Jones. There's a lot of things to consider, but you don't have to worry about that stuff. Don't be scared to get in the stock market. These days, you have to have a second form of income. You have to, because prices are just going up like crazy. Look at the gas prices, look at the grocery prices, on and on and on. The clothing prices, shoe prices, and things like that. And look at society, what's going on. See what's taking off, what people are wearing, what the news is saying about the wars or anything that sticks out in your mind. It affects certain stocks, and that's a way to pick a good stock as well. In case you don't want the stock that I give you, I'm just trying to help you out. It's like, look at the news, look at the sectors. Certain sectors get hot at certain times. Right now it's technology. It will not last forever. Before that, it was energy. You never know what's next. Clinical, consumers, anything. But I will keep an eye on that for you, and I will notify you when the next hot sector comes out. Now, the mathematical part of the stocks, on my other video, I talked about that. But you don't have to worry about that because you don't have to learn about EPS and PE ratio and mega cap, small cap, stuff like that. That's all on the stocks. Every stock you get, all that's going to be written on the stock, the volatility of the stock, the volume of the stock. I'm going to research all that for you. That's going to make it easier for you, because the reason I'm telling you to get in the stock market, because you have an edge. The edge is me. All you have to do is like, subscribe, and share my video, and hit that bell button so my videos can get to you. And all you have to do is buy the stock. That's all. And have patience when you get that stock. A lot of my stocks, the last 150, look at my videos. Just look at my previous videos. The last 150 out of 160 stocks that I recommended has went up. I am the best at this. I really am. So you will make money on my stocks, but you have to have patience, because sometimes my stocks don't go up immediately. It might take 2-3 days or a week, but it will go up and you will make money. Now, when you make money on my stocks, I'm preaching right now. Excuse me, I'm preaching. When you make money on my stocks, sell it. Because if my video, when I come out with another hot stock, is coming straight to you, because you did hit that bell button and subscribe to my video. So my suggestions or my videos will come straight to you first, and that's my main objective. Now, with all that being said, there's a lot more I could talk about, but I'm not going to talk your ear off. Don't be scared of the stock market. A lot of people are scared to put their money in the stock market. That's one of the safest place you can put money at, because your money will not disappear. I guarantee you that. I'm going to start giving classes on this stuff, because so many of my regulars and my viewers saying, when I'm going to start a class, when I'm going to start a class, when I'm going to start a class. I'm trying excuse me. I'm trying to set up my Cash App accounts real good, my PayPal and things like that, so people can I could teach on a regular basis, because if I start teaching, that's something that a lot of people want me to do, and I'm seriously considering that right there. But well, tell me what you think about that too. Do you want me to start giving classes and things like that? Because a lot of people are making money off my suggestions when it comes to stocks. But I'm not, like I said, I'm not going to talk your ear off. I gave you some hot stocks that might be pretty good for you Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, which is Dell Computer, NTAP, and SNOW. Those might be pretty good for Monday. And AMBA might be okay as well. But I'm probably Sunday night, tomorrow night, I'm going to let you know which one I pick is that one hot stock that's going to make money for you. This is Byron. Thank you for all your support, all my subscribers and viewers. I'm going to try to keep you updated on the stock market as much as possible. I love you guys, and I'm going to talk to you on my next video, and God bless you.